Hey everyone, today I have a coding interview question and it's a question that been asked by Oracle and Zolo among other companies, and in this problem we have given an array A of a size of n and print the reverse of it. So you understand the question, okay? So the two things is given by this question is input and output. So what was the input? Input is that first line contains an integer denoted the test cases t. T perform the task, okay, and each test case contains two lines of input. First line contains the size of the array, and the second line contains the elements of array. Okay, perfect. So hope you understand what will we do in this question, and the output for each test case in a new line. Print the output reverse order. So here is the input. First is a test case, sorry. Second is size of array, and third is the array which we are inputting. Okay, so let's go to starting. Just go and make a Java class. I am using IntelliJ reverse of array. So here we have Java class. So we write our okay. So I will increase my font size. Okay, so main, and okay, first of all we need scanner. Okay, dot in. So just go to scanner and alt enter, and okay, let's go to question. So first of all we needed t for test cases. Okay, so t equal to test cases. So first, so we needed t, int t, so dot next int and terminate. So first you done with t. So now second is that each test case contains two line of input. First line is content n of the size and the size. So we needed n, but we first of all we needed one loop, because if you write the number of size of array, it goes to 0 to whatever you given the size. That's why we needed while, and the condition t is greater than 0, then the loop will begin. Then we will write n numbers of array, int n, so dot next int. Now we want one array for storing the size of array. Int array a equal to new int array n. Suppose you given n equal to 4, so the 4 is stored in this array. Okay, so let's go for loop. Why? Just I am right, and then I will tell you. I++. So you understand? I think you understand. I 0. Okay, I not I less than n. If n is 4, I goes to 0 to 4. N equal to 4, then I go to 0 to 4. Okay, now we want one array to storing n numbers. Why n numbers? Because of if you give 4, then the loop is begin with 0 to 4, means every time you are giving one value. I think that like you are given the size of array is 4, then you are giving some numbers like 0 1 2 3 4, then the number are storing in an array. So okay, now we want one more array, for loop I equal to 0. Sorry, not why we needed this loop? For reversing, reverse the array. Okay, got it. So now we want the special number n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Now you have to print a array I. Okay, and now simply line, but don't forget to remove this in ln for next line. So we done our program, I think. So I will one more time describe you what we are doing. First of all, we checking the question. I think we completed an array size and the okay, perfect. So first of all, we go to our question, and in the T we are taking the T test cases, how many tasks you have to perform, 1 2 3 4, and T is greater than 0, then the loop is begin. If it's empty, just go to empty. Okay, just go to enter. Inner part we are giving the size of array, and then for n we storing n in the array for taking array, then we are performing the loop 0 to 4, and then we are reversing in this loop. So let's run this program. Just sorry, my laptop is little bit hang. Just go to reverse of array your class and run, and shortcut is control plus shift plus F10. By the way, you run from their side, but first time you have to run, and then the class is selected there. So first of all, we have to done first how many cases? T 1, the size of array is 4, and there you have to put storing the value. I will put 0 1 2 3, and boom, giving array. Okay, so what was the error? It's index 4 out of 0.4 length. So first of all, we go and check our question. First for okay, first of all, I want to check my question answer. We done I think test key loop and I0 in I plus plus, and it's storing there. I think we are missing there is I Okay, let's run. There are little mistake. We are storing the whole array and we are getting the value. That's why I 0 1 2 3. So you got it, our answer. If you are thinking it's very close, just go and plus. I think it's working for now onwards. Working. Okay, 1 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we got it, the answer. And first of all we check our question. What is the question? Question is that, I think a little bit hang. Okay, it's not responding. So I think you understand the concept of reversing of array. Okay, thank you guys, keep subscribe my channel.